This is Teresa with Beans and Stitches, and I just wanted to show you what we're gonna do with these quilt blocks that I had laying around that I had put together, but I wasn't quite sure what I was gonna do with them. So they're kind of wintry. These are free quilt blocks by Riley Blake, and I will put a link to those blocks in the post. So I decided that I was just going to put a snowman on it. And what I did was I took some heat and bond, and I took a plate that was about 8 inches. These are about 10 1/4. And then I made a template, okay, on the heat and bond. And then I took a quilt block the same size as these, and I took some terry cloth and I bonded top of the snowman. And this is where we're gonna start. So you're just going to need 4 blocks that are kind of wintry. And then you need some felt, something for a nose, some stars, some eyes, the terry cloth, and then some solid fabric that matches your quilt blocks. And let's start.